Dear students, welcome back to Aditya Edukam. Aditya Edukam provides general knowledge and general studies in English and Hindi. So now we discuss about yesterday's quiz. So let us discuss about yesterday's quiz. The first question was, Garampani Sanctuary is located at which location? And the right answer is Golghat, Assam. The second question was, which bird lays the largest eggs? And the right answer is ostrich. The third question was, which river is passing through the Paris city? And the right answer is Seine River. The question number 4 was, which one is the longest continental mountain range in the world? And the right answer is the Andes. And the last question was, in which ocean Baramunda Triangle region is located? And the right answer is North Atlantic Ocean. So student, this is all for yesterday's quiz. Now we discuss about today's discussion. So let us start. The first question of today's session is, which state has launched Amma Youth Sports Scheme? Which state has launched Amma Youth Sports Scheme? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, option D, Goa. And the right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Next we move to our question number 2. Which institutions has released the Time Use Survey in India report? Which institution has released the Time Use Survey in India report? Option A, UNDP. Option B, NSO. Option C, Pratham. Yeah, option D, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And the right answer is option B, NSO. Next we move to question number 3. In which city the Indian Coast Guard has recently commissioned its C-448 high-speed boat? In which city the Indian Coast Guard has recently commissioned its C-448 high-speed boat? Option A, Kochi. Option B, Visakhapatnam. Option C, Mangaluru. Yeah, option D, Chennai. And the right answer is option C, Mangaluru. Next we move to question number 4. What is the name of the nuclear capable hypersonic missile that was fired from Odisha test range? What is the name of the nuclear capable hypersonic missile that was fired from Odisha test range? Option A, Agni. Option B, Tejas. Option C, Shaurya. Option D, Nag. And the right answer is option C, Shaurya. Next we move to question number 5. Which defense force has proposed to acquire 12 high-performance patrol boats? Which defense force has proposed to acquire 12 high-performance patrol boats? Option A, Indian Navy. Option B, Indian Coast Guard. Option C, Indian Air Force. Yeah, option D, Indian Army. And the right answer is option D, Indian Army. Next we move to question number 6. As per the World Bank's classification, India is written in which category of income group? As per the World Bank's classification, India is written in which category of income group? Option A, low income. Option B, lower middle income. Option C, upper middle income. Yeah, option D, high income. And the right answer is option B, lower middle income. Next we move to question number 7. What is the name of the platform unveiled by the Prime Minister as a part of taxation reform? What is the name of the platform unveiled by the Prime Minister as a part of taxation reform? Option A, Honest Taxpayer Dashboard. Option B, Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest. Option C, Faceless Assessment Yojana. And option D, PM Transparency. And the right answer is Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest. Next we move to question number 8. As per the report released by which organization, the average income earned by manager workers has doubled? Option A, RBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, CIBIL, CIBIL. Yeah. Option D, CRISIL, CRISIL. And the right answer is option D, CRISIL, CRISIL. Then we move to question number 9. Shakti Bill, which was seen in the news recently, was launched by which state? Shakti Bill, which was seen in the news recently, was launched by which state? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Punjab. Option C, Maharashtra. And option D, Gujarat. And the right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Next we move to question number 10. Our last question. Kisan Suryodaya Yojana that was seen in news recently is implemented by which state? Kisan Suryodaya Yojana that was seen in news recently is implemented by which state? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Haryana. Option C, Bihar. Yeah, option D, Gujarat. And the right answer is option D, Gujarat. So student, this is all for today's session. Now I am asking some questions for your quiz. So please be participate and the lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung tab. So don't be lazy, be hurry. The first question of today's quiz session is National Income Estimates in India are prepared by. National Income Estimates in India are prepared by. Question number 2 is the purest form of iron is. What is the purest form of iron is? Give your right answer in this video's comment sections. Question number 3. Holkar Trophy is associated with which sport? Next we move to our question number 4. Who is the author of Unhappy India? Who is the author of Unhappy India? And the last question of this session is which is the oldest civilization of the world? Which is the oldest civilization of the world? So student, this is the quiz sessions and please be participate. Give your right answer in this video's comment sections and the lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung tab. So still if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe Aditya Edukam and do like and share in your friends. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck.